Hello, I'm Sanjay Gossip Hit Boss is responding to the remarks made about him on Music Pulse podcast. Nota Baloyi is not a fan of Lecompo genre. We know how he bashes Boshandesh, Janesh, Shebeshin, all of them. And then we also have the other co-host, I forgot his name. He has this unknown beef against the Lecompo artist as well, just because of Limpopo Boy umethile ka bomo the time by Lecompo balcony mix. So every time when they talk about anything related to Lecompo, it's always negative. So hit boss Olapi.
ana rangele bojal rabo phela le bolela ka rena mo di event re jalena le ba le re promote le brand ya ke buisa re khana wa batho ga ba bolela ka motho sa bolele selo bana ba bata mo rena ba re bona batho ba le ba re you are the big deal e tare o fe brand le na ba le re promote so duela le ntwe ya bolela ka rena di event jala ngele ke promote le bolela ka lena be ala tsebe le rules of the game noto le yena wa ro bolela ka rena go noto wa bolela ka rena ba ta mo rena le na ba le re fa mereko rena ba re le ba isa west and this noto rena ba re ba ja west se sa le yena dilo ja mo babela because ona le label ya re ya struggle se sa label ya struggle yo lo mo wa phela chuile ibile ga na problem le yena ke mfana rena o ta Limpopo dara wile December ta bolele yena it's not the problem ta bolele yena re ta ga go era modiela mphaso noto le se sa ibile le ska bala thole ba minda ba kwatile ka mata mo lefasene le modimo ibile wa tswa re ba kwatile a tswa re ba kwatile jin message is clear and simple as magomborda no phela re disarma lojiba di dia wena mfana ka o phela o chuile is not a problem mo boele Limpopo December re do diela mphaso ka re vele good friday re baletse go passage re do diela mphaso ska wa no tro ena re a tseba hai malweji ya wena o ruwa le basadi go ro conflicted between Uthalefa le Bobari na go ngoro Uthalefa na mara dialo ja Bobari so a re tsebo yona ke fe mo notro se sa a re na problem le yena re understand ma jwang ona ba phela ba kwatile ba roana ba nyaka olwa a re na problem okusalayo re do tlhaba mo ba bang ngish o phela a khakamela a chuile a bolela go Mike ke mfana rena o wa boya hae re dono modiela mphaso ra molukisha sharp a ba right o daraile go a ba soba awa so re dono thaba mo ba bang o phela chuile guys I feel or motho phela chuile when they want to come across we are in charge tsotsi re ga ticket ya balcony mix o do bona se bogo ka di 8
Lecompo needs a shape right now. So I think if Hit Boss maybe just stops gigging, does the mixes, he can still continue doing the mixes, right? Maybe still producing.
Is he a killer DJ?
But he doesn't need to do the. He's an amazing Lecompo DJ. Don't get me wrong.
Muzzle.
He's amazing, right?
Boss.
But he must leave it to the kids. He must focus on
Stop barking.
and make Lecompo. He must just build that thing. He needs to put it together. There's no other person that will do it besides
there's
him right now.
Ninja.
So I feel like he needs to step back and look at it, do the mixes, do the production, but focus on the paperwork, the black and white, and blueprint this fucking thing.
I think he needs to.
I think that's it. It's fine.
With him,
He doesn't
I
need to
think,
pay-
is he paying? Is he paying you?
No, he's not.
I think he needs to focus on his
But
school.
every show is
He
his
needs to
boss,
get
so we
his
must keep
law
quiet when you
degree.
say his
Comrades,
boss.
no,
He's your boss, not
Emma,
ours.
I'm
He's
saying,
MLB.
I think we're talking about people that need to be in the
Yeah,
background.
so-
I said
And
my
knock it out the
person.
park.
I just said my person.
Yeah, but
That's
I
who
have to
think.
say it's a big
That's
debate.
who I
There is
think.
a
home
debating
run.
what you say. I disagree with what you say.
It's not a debate.
I think he
We're
must.
not debating.
I think he
You're
must stick to law. He must focus on law,
No.
entertainment law,
Okay.
and do that and fuck off from
And
the music.
master it.
Like he needs to fuck
No,
off.
he needs a master.
Like-
A master's degree.
His boss needs to fuck off
I know you hate
By the
him.
way,
in the music industry
I know you-
and let people like Mazel, Boat Tribe, all these kids run Shandesh, Janesh. Let these kids run this thing. Everywhere his sisters go is his face first. What the fuck is that?
in him in control.
Eh? When is his sister gonna make it?
Mm.
Eh? When is Janesh gonna make it? Everywhere he goes is his face first.
And he's not taking it to Planet
You know I'm
Fitness.
telling the truth.
I don't know.
And we just spoke about being managed by people who also wanna be famous. No, nigga, you got a degree in law. Just make sure it's entertainment law. You're gonna make money with all, and then be a lawyer for all these Lecompo artists.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I said he needs to be in the background. But I'm not saying leave the music
No, he
entirely.
must not mix.
No, man.
He's not a good mixer. He
He's
must
not.
not DJ. He's not a
not.
good DJ.
He's not.
He must not make music. He
doesn't
makes wet
produce.
beats.
Yes.
He makes whack beats?
Yeah.
does.
When he gave us the biggest hits?
It's not him
That's
that produced
muscle.
alone.
That's muzzle.
That's a problem because
That's
when
muscle.
you are getting
Ham
final
Mapul.
product,
Ham Mapul, oh, yeah.
when you are getting final product, but
Yeah. But compare the productions that Shandesh did with muzzle to everything else.
Yeah.
Compare it.
Maz makes quality production.
Yeah.
If Likopo was moving with
Muzzle.
Maz,
Muzzle.
Maz.
Ish.
Maze.
That's a
You're saying
Maz.
Maz. You're saying Maz.
Yeah, it's just a Maz.
Eh.
So what I'm saying is that Mazel makes good production, quality production, mixes well, masters very well. You understand what I'm saying? And then if he allows someone like Mazel, Nakwa, no,
Yeah, Nakwa. It's
Nakwa
Nakwa.
Yashebe, ne?
Nakwa.
Bro, give these niggas a chance. Let them run it. Eh? Let them run. Be an OG. You act like an OG you never won. Right? Let these kids do this thing, bro, so that Likompo can grow. Yeah? Because now he's here controlling who features who. Bullshit, man. We're mix masala di man nimo. Di man la music. Abe executive fail.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fair.
How
Comrades.
do I write a Likompo?